Hey folks, want to turn your long podcast episodes into snackable, shareable clips without spending hours in an editor? Today I'm going to walk you through how to quickly generate accurate subtitles, craft eye-catching snippets and audiograms, and then let AI do the heavy lifting so your content actually gets posted, all with Vizard. If you're into making more content with less effort, this one's for you. First things first, jump into Vizard and upload your long video or podcast file. You can drag it in or hit upload, whatever's easier. The interface loads fast, and you'll see your footage in the editor in seconds. Now, if you're like me and hate manually typing transcripts, Vizard's auto subtitle feature is a total time saver. Head to the subtitles / transcript area, choose the spoken language and click create. The AI listens, timestamps, and spits out a full transcript, usually surprisingly accurate on the first pass. The best part? The transcript appears on the side so you can skim, edit, and correct any wonky words. If there's a mumbled line or a name the model didn't catch, you can fix it in line, split long subtitle lines, merge short ones, or retime them on the timeline with simple drag handles. Vizard also flags low confidence words, so you won't miss the spots that need fixing. If you want a copy of the transcript, go to the subtitle options and download SRT, VTT, or plain TXT. Handy for repurposing as show notes, blog posts, or SEO-friendly content. Okay, subtitles are done. Now let's make a killer snippet for socials. I usually start by changing the aspect ratio depending on where I'm posting. Square for Instagram feed, vertical for Reels, TikTok, landscape for YouTube Shorts or embeds. In Vizard, it's just a click. Pick your size and then crop or reposition the frame so the subject sits nicely in the shot. Next, small design tweaks go a long way. I like to round the video corners just a bit to give it a modern, polished look. Toggle the corner radius and find that sweet spot, not too pillowy. Pillowy, not too sharp. Add a gradient or colored background behind your clip to make it pop in the feed. Drag the background layer full length on the timeline so it covers the whole clip. Then right-click and send it to the back. Subtitles are the star of snackable vids, so style them. Vizard gives you presets, but also lets you tweak the font, size, color, background box, and animations. I usually lower the subtitle box slightly off the center, so it doesn't obscure faces. Pick a bold font, and add a subtle entrance animation. Makes the clip feel more professional with almost no effort. For audio-first content like podcasts, audiograms are a must. Vizard has built-in sound wave elements you can drop into your canvas. Pick the style you like, resize it, change the color to match your brand, and place it behind or in front of the speaker. You can also add simple shapes. A rounded border behind your video, little decorative accents in the corners, emojis, or animated stickers to give vibe and context. These micro details are what make thumbs stop scrolling. Want to add a headline? Hit text, pick a template, or start fresh. Type your hook. Something punchy like, "Why you're overcomplicating content?" Then drag it into place. Use contrast colors for readability, and add a subtle text animation so the headline catches attention in the first 1-2 seconds. If you've got a logo, drop it in the corner. If not, consider a small watermark to build recognition. Alright, at this point you've got a baked snippet that looks polished. Click Export, pick MP4, and make sure captions are burned in if you want them always visible. Download and you're ready to post. But here's the real game changer. Vizard doesn't stop at single clip exports. Unlike older tools that stop at make one video, Vizard can actually take your long content and automatically find the moments that are most likely to perform, the laughs, the hot takes, the surprise reveals, and turn them into ready-to-post clips. This auto-editing for viral clips is huge if you're producing long-form content regularly. Instead of manually scrubbing hours of footage, Vizard's AI surfaces those high-engagement slices, creates multiple formats, and even suggests thumbnail text and captions. It's like having an assistant that knows what's likely to trend. And if you want to be truly lazy in a good way, use the auto-schedule feature. Tell Vizard how often you want to post, daily, 3 times a week, whatever. Set your preferred platforms, and the tool will schedule uploads for you. No more juggling calendars or late-night posting sessions. Which brings me to the content calendar. It's a single place to view, tweak, and publish all your clips across socials. You can reorder posts, swap clips, edit captions, or pause scheduling if something comes up. For cross-platform creators, that unified workflow is priceless. Quick comparison, because I know you'll ask, yes, there are other editors that do subtitles and audiograms. They're solid for one-off edits, but many of them feel manual and fragmented. You might need a separate app to batch clips, another to schedule, and another to manage posts. Some are also pricey per seat, or charge extra for scheduling features. Vizard's strength is stitching those pieces together. Quick subtitle creation, smart auto-cutting into clips, and built-in scheduling and calendar management. All designed for creators who want volume and consistency without the admin hell. A couple pro tips from the trenches. Always check the transcript quickly for names and niche terms. If your audio quality is rough, run a quick noise reduction pass before auto-subtitling to improve accuracy. For thumbnails, keep the text short and bold. Think 3-6 words max. And when you set up auto-schedule, Let the AI post a batch over a few weeks to test what format and length performs best before committing to a strict cadence. Finally, don't be afraid to iterate. Make a few different snippet styles from the same episode. One that's humorous, one that's controversial, and one that's educational. Vizard's auto-edit will usually find different potential hooks for each style, so you'll maximize reach without extra recording. So that's the workflow. Upload your long episode, auto-generate and tidy subtitles, design a visual layout with gradients, rounded corners, and sound waves, add headline text and logos, export a polished clip, then let Vizard's auto-editing and scheduling turn a one-off episode into weeks of consistent social content. It's the difference between publishing once and owning a whole distribution funnel. If you make podcasts or long videos and want to scale your social output, this approach saves time and keeps your content looking top tier. Give it a spin on a single episode. You'll be surprised how many quality clips it can pull out. All right, that's it for today. Go make something great, and if you want, I can walk you through a live example next. We can upload an episode together and generate a week's worth of posts in 20 minutes. Peace and good luck.